Hello, welcome to Morning Review. This is Kim Watson speaking on Friday the 21st of November. Okay, so looking at the pound dollar first, and as you can see, we really consolidated. Yesterday we did manage just to break above the bullish engulfing bar that we'd had the previous day and just sort of break up a tad. There is still potential that we could continue to the upside, although we've sort of come off of resistance at the upper band there. So we could, which coincided with the 50 4-hourly 50. Now we're in quite a consolidated phase here, and I'm looking at potential breakouts of this. Looking at the 60-minute makes a bit more, gives us a bit more picture. There's a few points of what you could be breaking from. We've got this sort of rising trend line that's coming across the bottoms here. We've got the falling trend line, which is part of the squeeze or the pinchy sort of price action that we're seeing here. There's also quite a few sort of different trend lines you could draw across here. I'm a little wary. We're just coming off the 60-50 by the looks of things here, or just air kissed it. Once again, we have touched it before, so it doesn't mean to say price is finished there. A little wary at this time of the morning of this particular move, in case it just literally breaks this trend line, finds a bit of support for prior low there, and then runs back up. So there is that potential from where we're sitting at the moment. We have put a higher low in, which is what makes me a little bit more concerned about just looking at taking a short below that level. So we'll be careful how we trade this or look to trade this. There is the chance we could get a shove up and break the upper trend line there. We've already tested that 200 now, the 60-minute 200. Yet again, if we do get a rally from this sort of area, a break of the upper trend line there may see us come back to test that, and maybe even reach yesterday's highs. So there's potential for that. Looking just at the market at the moment, it is a little bit oversold in some of the short term, but it is consolidating, and in the last couple of hours we're consolidating the tight range. So if it does, as I say, break to the lower side there, may just come down to that support. So I'm just a bit wary of that. Looking at the euro dollar, again consolidated. You can see on this hour, let's just come out first and look at where we are. Yesterday really is a funny old candle. We ended up really a spinning top candle on the dailies there. Just came, I think, comes really close to anything in the from a daily point of view. We'd already reached this trend line. There's a trend line running down the high, off the highs here. It's already been tested. Looking as low. It's just so consolidated on this 4-hourly. Now we have got Draghi speaking this morning, and it may be that although he's only, I say only, but he's addressing the European Banking Congress on reshaping Europe. So it could be quite a volatile speech at 8 o'clock, or create quite a lot of volatility, should I say. We'll see, but price at the moment is consolidated so tightly. It's a difficult one to call in some respects. We could break to the lower side here. From what we've seen lower highs in the short term on this hourly, although the bigger picture really is still higher lows that we've seen. We've got definitely confirmed higher low the previous day, but this consolidation makes it difficult directional trading. And I'm just wary once again of breakouts of this level, but it could still break, and perhaps if it breaks the upper side, it's more likely to continue to an upper side. We'll see, but it's got so many points of resistance sitting there in the previous highs and lows that it may struggle to get any sort of real mileage here. But as I say, consolidation, and generally with consolidation you get some quite nice moves eventually. So I'm just hoping for one of those to come to us quite soon. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday. Bye for now.